Alright guys, welcome to today's Excel tip on inserting comments. Today we have a sheet set up and we're trying to insert a comment in the cell G4. What we have to do first is right click on the cell in question, go down through the menus to the insert comment, and this will insert a comment into the cell, and we'll type what we want. Now when we click out of this comment box, the comment disappears, but it will always reappear when we hover over the cell which had the comment. Now if we should ever want this comment to show permanently on our sheet, we right click on the cell with the comment and go down to show hide comments in the menu. Now the comment is permanent, it shows. We can drag the comment around to wherever we want, wherever is desirable. Now if you should ever want to delete your comment, you right click on the cell with the comment and go down to the delete comment option. And there you are. Now you know how to insert comments. Thank you.